You a few clinical cases that was done using ProGlider ProTaper Next combination protocol, and also focus your attention to the maintenance of the original root canal anatomy in these examples. In this case, a lower mandibular second molar that required root canal treatment, you can clearly see on the length determination radiograph that we have an S-shaped type of anatomy in the distal root. After preparation and obturation, it was evident that this anatomy was maintained after canal preparation with ProGlider and the ProTaper Next instruments. Here we see an example of an upper right maxillary first molar with a sharp curvature in the last 3.5 millimeters of the second mesiobuccal root canal system. This anatomy was again maintained after preparation and obturation. In this case, a lower mandibular left first molar that presented with 4 separate root canal systems. The curvatures was maintained in the mesial root canals as well as in the apical part of the distal lingual canal after preparation with ProGlider and ProTaper Next. This was an interesting case. A lower left mandibular first molar with 3 distal and 2 mesial canals, again treated with ProGlider and ProTaper Next. Again, I want you to note the maintenance of the root canal anatomy in the mesial and distal root canal systems of this challenging case. And my last example, another mandibular left second molar that presented with curvatures in the mesiolingual and an apical curvature in the distal root canal. This complex anatomy was again maintained during canal preparation. These observations are also confirmed in an in vitro study done by Elnagi in Alaska, where they evaluated root canal transportation, centering ratio, and remaining dentine thickness associated with ProTaper Next with and without a glide path. They concluded that the combination of ProGlider and ProTaper Next instrumentation method revealed better performance with fewer canal aberrations when compared with instrumentation performed with PAR files and ProTaper Next or with the ProTaper Next system on its own. Allow me to conclude with the clinical advantages of the ProTaper Next system. Firstly, it can manage severe curvatures with confidence and respect of the root canal anatomy. It demonstrates reduced incidence of file breakage because of M-wire and because there is less taper lock of the instruments when we prepare canals. Thirdly, we use less instruments with a drastic reduction in preparation time. And in my opinion, we end up with cleaner canals with less smear layer and debris compaction due to the offset massive rotation principle of the ProTaper Next instruments. I think that you'll all agree that these are very important clinical advantages that we gain when we use the ProTaper Next system.